Greetings to everybody. Today we are going to discuss something on psychology of motivation. It was Thursday evening and I was conducting a session on leadership development in one of the corporates. There I asked a very simple question. Do you know what motivates you? And I could see that people were struggling to answer this question. Then I asked another question. Do you really know what motivates your colleagues? And they were baffled. They started looking at each other. These participants were in the age group of 30 to 40, and I thought if these people are struggling, then it is important for somebody to share with them what motivation is, why it is so important, and how it can help them succeed in their life.
Are these three questions important? Is motivating your students exciting? Is there a need to motivate your team? And how do you encourage yourself? Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Nitin Joshi, working as Director at Dr. V. N. Bedekar Institute of Management Studies, Thane. I am a corporate trainer with 25 years of rich and varied experience in academics and industry. There is a bit of psychology behind motivation, and understanding of this psychology is going to help us how do we really motivate people.
I had given an home assignment to the students, and I could see that some of them had done the home assignment and some of them had not done. So I thought, what should I do to help others do their home assignment? So I had heard that students love eating chocolates, and I announced in the class that if you do your home assignments, you will be getting chocolates. The results were amazing. All the students did their homework and they enjoyed their chocolates. After 15 days, I again gave them the assignment but did not declare that I'll be giving chocolates. But this time, all the students again had the expectations of rewards. And one more thing which I could observe, that even the good students who were interested in doing their home assignments now had expectations of reward. Believe me, even if I would have continued giving them chocolates, they would have done home assignments only for the sake of chocolates and not for the purpose of home assignment. When we talk about motivation, we distinguish two different kinds. One is intrinsic and the other is extrinsic motivation. The intrinsic motivation comes from within and it gives you joy. It gives you the real joy of working, and it is not for the sake of getting the rewards. The other is extrinsic motivation, which is linked with all the external rewards and all the external parameters which are not directly linked from within. Science has found that positive emotions are the root cause of human motivation. Positive emotions are the root cause of human motivation, and it is how people feel that drives people. Most of the people fail to identify what really drives them, and therefore they do not understand the importance of intrinsic motivation.
What teachers and managers do today? Currently, they either use carrot as a means of incentive, stick for creating fear, or they conduct games in their training programs and in the classroom, and the result is temporary motivation.
I had attended a program titled Teacher as a Leader, and from then onwards, I always felt that the role of teacher is much larger than what I had thought. It is possible to motivate people if teachers and leaders have basic understanding of human behavior and they know what drives people. Science has already shown that positive emotions are the root cause of human motivation. Therefore, teachers and leaders must acquire this knowledge of what truly inspires human beings to enthusiastically perform at a higher level than the normal level. Teachers and leaders can use this knowledge to motivate their students and definitely help them achieve more than what they can achieve.
With the disruption of digital wave, we are seeing digital marketplaces are impacting the lives of many people. And we could see some of the websites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Amazon, Duolingo, to name a few, who are motivating people to spend their time or money or both.
Who all can enjoy this program? I am sure teachers are going to definitely enjoy this program. And I also feel that managers in the corporate world, leaders, coaches, and trainers who all have the responsibility of motivating people are going to benefit out of this program. And let me tell you how they are going to benefit and why they are going to benefit. We are going to discuss a lot when we talk about how teachers can actually drive students and help them understand what motivates them. Probably it is also part of the behavior of the student. Website developers will get a lot of insights because we are going to focus on the psychology which attracts people to be on the website. We are going to talk about productivity, and definitely managers are going to be learning a lot. Also, leaders, when they recruit people in their team, they will be recruiting right set of people and be forming more meaningful teams which will have more belief in the work and will be more productive every day, every time. In the next video, we are going to talk about science and psychology of motivation.